Hello everyone, my name's Michelle and this security briefing covers Log4J. The Apache Logging Services project creates and maintains open source software related to the logging of application behavior and released at no charge to the public. From their intro page, they say Apache Log4J is a versatile industrial-grade Java logging framework composed of an API, its implementation, and components to assist the deployment for various use cases. So Log4J is used by 8% of the Maven ecosystem and listed as one of the top 100 critical open source software projects. The project is actively maintained by a team of several volunteers and supported by a big community. Log4j is a popular Java-based logging utility used in numerous applications and services worldwide. A significant vulnerability, the CVE 2021-44228, was discovered, which allows attackers to execute arbitrary code on a server through specially crafted log messages. This vulnerability, known as Log4 shell, affects Log4j versions from 2.0 beta 9 to 2.14.1. The attacks targeting Log4j are commonly called Log4j attacks or Log4j vulnerabilities. These terms encompass various exploits and vulnerabilities associated with the Log4j logging library, including the infamous Log4 shell vulnerability allowing remote code execution. Log4j is short for Logging for Java, is an open source logging library for Java-based applications. Developed by the Apache Software Foundation, it provides a flexible and reliable framework for generating log messages from Java programs. Log4j2 is the successor to Log4j, designed to address various shortcomings of the original Log4j. It's a complete rewrite with a significant improvements in performance, scalability, and flexibility. Log4j is the original logging library for Java applications, known for its flexibility, various apprehenders, and layouts. It's been found to have vulnerabilities that pose significant risks to systems using it. Log4j2 is the improved, more modern version of Log4j, offering better performance, scalability, and configuration options, but it's also introduced new vulnerabilities such as the Log4 shell vulnerability. Here are some key differences. The architecture of Log4j2 is designed to address many of the shortcomings and limitations of the Log4j1. It has a new architecture that improves performance and flexibility. And configurations, Log4j2 uses different configuration formats, XML, JSON, YAML, compared to the primary XML-based configurations of Log4j1. In security, Log4j2 is the version involved in the recent Log4 shell vulnerability, while Log4j1 has its own set of vulnerabilities, but it is not affected by the Log4 shell. For backward compatibility, some projects might still be using the older Log4j1 and will refer to it as Log4j. For newer projects, using the newer Log4j2 will refer to it as a Log4j2 to distinguish between the two versions. Immediate actions and mitigation, you need to upgrade Log4j to the version 2.16.0 or later. This update disables the vulnerability functionality by default. The temporary workaround for those unable to immediately set the system property Log4j2 format, MSG no lookups, to true for versions 2.10.0 to 2.14.1. Alternatively, you can remove the GIND lookup class from the class path. For long-term strategies, you do patch management, ensure that all software libraries are regularly updated to protect against vulnerabilities, write on And then monitoring and detection. You implement vigilant monitoring systems to detect and respond to suspicious activities promptly. In network segmentation, you limit the exposure of important systems by segmenting your network to prevent lateral movement by attackers, which is smart for any network. To wrap it up, the Log4j vulnerability is an issue that demands immediate and continuous attention. You can protect our systems from potential exploitation by updating Log4j, applying necessary workarounds, and maintaining a vigilant security posture. Thank you for your attention, and let's stay proactive in safeguarding our digital environment. Here's sources cited. Thank you. This concludes the security brief about Log4j. Have a good night.